Yes.
You have both of them?
Wait.
No.
Mhm.
Got it?
Yeah. One's down.
They're both down.
Yeah, but one's down. Guys, can you move?
I thought I said boom.
Let's see. Got pepper and please recycle.
Did this one get it? Oh, it got
Yeah.
it on the bottom.
No, there was other ones. Like this one right here. This one.
Oh, this one looked like it grazed it.
Oh.
Whoa. That's so cool.